Welcome back everyone. For those of you that didn't watch the last video, I bought myself a Kess version 2 cloned remapping tool, ECU reader, whatever you want to call it. Trying to do a budget remap on the Focus ST. So after managing to get the map off the ECU correctly, I then set about locating a mapper I could use on a tight budget. Now there's lots of people out there, you can buy just files, generic files off eBay. I actually wanted to talk to somebody that hopefully I picked knew what they were doing. So I contacted 3 or 4 different ones, including some on eBay. And to be honest, I wasn't hopeful that I was going to find somebody that was worth using. Just for the simple reason being, I was quite honest when I spoke to him and said, I want to use this in a YouTube video. And I got a few knockbacks, to be honest. They didn't want anything to do with being on YouTube. Take it from that what you will. But one thing that did particularly stand out was a business called Postal Remaps. Now, they are an eBay business. I contacted them. They're quite happy. They're snowed under with work at the moment. So I was lucky to get a map from them. As it transpires, after a dialogue with them, there's 2 gentlemen that are mechanics stroke technicians by trade. They also retail the Kess and other equipment, all legitimate, full-blown licensed stuff. You know, costs thousands of pounds. So it's not just some random lad that's got a few maps flogging them on eBay. I paid £25 for the map. It's supposed to be a stage 1 map with overrun pops and hard limiter cut. So what I'm going to do now is I've got it all ready to put on the system, onto the ECU. So without further ado, I'll start doing it now and give a bit of a rundown of what I'm doing. Laptop is not connected to the internet. It's in aeroplane mode again. Just wait for the K-Suite to start up. Bit cold out here today. A bit chilly. Here we go. What we'll do is we'll do a quick ID run to make sure the communication's up and running. So just bear with us. We'll do an ID run. I'll fast forward it from here so you're not bored. Well, looks like there's a communications error somewhere. So hopefully somebody will be able to help me out with this. Tell me where I've gone wrong. Leave your comments below. Tell me where you think I've gone wrong if you know what I've been up to. And see where we go from there. I'll keep you as highly informed of what's happening. Well, that didn't go according to plan. Luckily though, I've managed to get the original file back on. So a little bit of research and see what goes on, just so people don't think I've broken the car. I'll start it. So there we go. I'll get back to you on the next video. Okay, we're doing a second right now. I spoke to the mapper and he explained that it could be just a glitch as it got all the way to 100% and then did what he did. So currently while I'm talking now, I'm doing it again, see if it'll work. And he said if it doesn't, to contact him and he will manually do the checksum for me and then send me the file back. Which was fantastic, no extra charge, and this is what I was looking for with doing a cheap way of mapping your car. I wanted someone to still look after what was going on, in a sense, that they could help, rather than some random person that's just got some maps and flogged them and has no idea what they're doing. These people do. So I'll keep you informed in what's going on, and it's nearly done, so let's have a look. Okay, I suppose the proof's in the pudding now. Let's see if she starts. No, she doesn't start, so I think it's the checksum. I'll get back to you when I've had it redone. Thank you.